Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 11. The Generations of Men. I sat by the old oak, tracing grooves in its bark like I traced the lines of my own life. My father had sat here and his father before him, all of us watching seasons wheel past, snow, sun, rain and wind. I remembered their hands, strong and worn, shaping plows, stirring pots, mending fences. Now I work too, yet differently, typing letters, fixing engines, building dreams with wires and words. Children ran past, shouting, playing, unaware they carried the same pulse as all who came before. I laughed, thinking how every man leaves a mark, small or wide, and the world moves on, absorbing it. Evening came, stars appearing, ancient as the oak itself, and I felt connected, every heartbeat a bridge. Life's work. Mistakes and laughter layered in time, and I realized the generations were less about blood and more about the quiet, shared rhythm that moves through all of us. Now listen to the poem. I sit beneath the old oak tree, tracing grooves that mirror me. Fathers past have rested here, seasons turning, year to year. Hands that built and labored long, shaping life with care and song. Children run, unaware, yet carry pulses old and rare. Work, mistakes, laughter blend, marks that time will softly send. Evening falls, stars appear, connecting hearts both far and near. Generations thread through time, in quiet rhythm, soft, sublime.